When I went to Iraq, and I was in Iraq for 5 months with the Air Force, and we were there, you didn't worry about, there's a whole different mentality. You're thinking of better ways to do it to get home. And that actually does have a long-term impact. You're wanting to make decisions now so you're alive 10 years from now. Well, we've got to do the same thing with our budget and our innovation in road projects, erosion projects, and other things as we go forward. And I'm glad to have companies like this in the 9th District. When I say I'm from here, so here's some great things that we can show.